Factor the polynomial completely. 81a squared minus 121b squared. If we could take out a greatest common factor first, we would, but there isn't one. Let's notice that this is a difference of squares. 81a squared comes from 9a times itself, or 9a quantity squared, and 121b squared comes from 11b times 11b, or 11b quantity squared. And this difference of squares then factors as 9a plus 11b times 9a minus 11b. The completely factored form of 81a squared minus 121b squared is 9a plus 11b times 9a minus 11b.